All set now, ready to race. Race number 7. And the race is on. Mr. Environment, Sir Henry from the outside, moving up by the Ericus Champ. And on the outside is Super Elegant by the Sugar Daddy Tobacco. Down on the inside, Fearless Para Goods Order. On the outside, Danny's Minstrel. Dugus Paramore, while Yay Ascaday is running at the tail of the field. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Erica's Champ on the outside is Sir Henry, and taking its time in third position, the outstanding favorite. And this one is Mr. Environment and Super Elegant, racing in port by about 2 lengths. As they race the last 500, Sir Henry, Erica's Champ fighting it out for the lead. Mr. Environment is running in third, Super Elegant. As they race the final corner, Sir Henry, Erica's Champ, Mr. Environment is on the outside, and on the further outside is Paragood's Order. It's now Mr. Environment followed by Sir Henry, Paragood's Order on the outside, but Mr. Environment by about 2, and finally Mr. Environment, Paragood's Order, Sir Henry, Super Elegant, Yay Ascaday,